Hey everyone, it's only been a few weeks, but this Eichler style home has had a lot of progress and I can't wait to show you all the work we've done. I also desperately need some ideas on a few things, so make sure you drop me a comment below. On the front yard, we haven't done any new landscaping yet, but we did a thorough cleanup and we're still going to put some new plants and maybe some rocks too. And here in the center, there's a lot of uneven concrete that still needs to be addressed. Moving on to the home, you can see that there's a new beam over there, and we also replaced the damaged plastic on that wall with new siding that matches perfectly with the existing siding. But the most exciting changes are actually inside, so let's go check it out. You probably wouldn't be able to recognize the interior at all because we took down quite some walls. There was a wall right here separating the kitchen from the doorway, and also another wall where the upper cabinets were that were separating the kitchen from the living room were all gone. And on top of that, we even removed the chunky fireplace that was right around here and blocking the sight lines. So this whole living space is so open and so roomy now. On the kitchen, we gutted the old cabinets and we are working on the rough plumbing and electrical. On the other side, we took down the wall and we're going to put in a new island that's actually huge, and it's going to be the true center of entertainment in this home. Another exciting thing is where we took down the fireplace, we're actually going to use the hole in the ceiling to create a skylight. So that will bring in a lot of natural light. But still, in this space, we need some more lighting, and that comes my first question. I'm still not sure what kind of lighting we're going to use. So one idea is to use some track lights, but it's not really original to Eichler style homes. So we're also thinking about just adding a lot of floor lamps or table lamps when we stage the home. But I know that from my experience that those lamps just don't illuminate the home as much as ceiling lights do. So if you have any good ideas, drop me a comment below. You also probably noticed that the flooring is completely gone in here. There was linoleum floors, tile floors, and cork floors before, but it's all removed, and we're still trying to decide on the flooring to use on this home. Hardwood floors, of course, is the most popular choice, but some also say that on Eichler style homes, cork floor is very popular as well. So if you have an opinion, don't mind to share with me in the comment as well. So let's move on to the bedroom and bathroom side. On this closet in the hallway, there wasn't a door before, and we put up the frame of the door. We just need to add some panels with the bamboo paper on top. And the washer and dryer have been removed. The first bedroom on this side is quite dark, and there was a lot of posters and a dartboard before. It's all been removed, but we still need to do a lot of work because it feels really dim, and we definitely need a new light source. And we are also going to replace the old window, and probably when we refinish the wood paneling here, we'd like to lighten up the colors so that the room will feel a little brighter. Of course, we still need to put in new flooring as well. And the other room on the other side is also quite dark. It's pretty similar scope of work that we need to add a ceiling light and refinish the wood paneling and putting in new flooring as well. And this guest bathroom has been completely changed. I didn't even recognize it myself when I first saw it. So there was actually the hallway going to a door to the side yard, and we closed it off to use this entire space as the bathroom. And this new vanity took me by surprise because when I ordered it online, I actually thought it was going to be floating, but it's actually not. But luckily, it's still pretty modern and it looks nice with this white oak finish. So the idea of this bathroom is to use very simple finishes, like very simple patterned shower wall tiles and the floor tiles, lighter tiles in the shower and darker tiles on the floors to kind of stay true to mid-century modern style. And as we move on to the other side of the home, we get to another bedroom over here. It's also quite dark and we need to do some work to brighten it up. We're also going to clean up the debris on the floors and put in new flooring. So the exciting part is this primary bedroom. We actually, I said it would be difficult for us to change the layout here because of the concrete slab foundation, but we actually put in the extra work and money and completely changed the layout here to make it more functional. There was a vanity, a single vanity that was outside of the water closet, and then the toilet and the shower locations were switched before, but we changed it so that we could utilize this entire wall as the shower so that it's really roomy in there. And then we were also able to remove that wall separating the two spaces to put in this dual vanity. So I think this is really going to make the new buyer very happy. On the primary bedroom, there hasn't been a lot done yet, so we're still going to replace the window, refinish the wood paneling, and putting in new floors. If you're interested in transforming rundown homes like these, check out my coaching program, Transform Flipper Academy. I teach my students the ins and outs about house flipping and help them achieve financial freedom. Check out our website, transformflipperacademy.com. This backyard is actually a pleasant surprise to me because it looks twice as big as before. Of course, we're going to repair the patio here because it has a lot of cracks. New concrete is necessary. And then we took out a lot of the ground covering, ivy, and other plants, and now it's all clear. With the fence in the middle gone, like you can really see how big this lot is. We haven't really decided what we're going to do. Probably we'll put in some sod and also some plants as well because there's a lot of space. But we also need to do a lot of fence repair and maybe some replacements as well. So this is what I've been busy with the last few weeks, and we're full speed ahead towards the finish line. If you're interested in seeing what the after looks like, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. That's so roomy and it's so cabinets and we're okay, maybe I should. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. I don't know why I did that. Island that's going to, I don't know why. So